Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your character in Real Boxing 2. Customizing your character in Real Boxing 2 is easy. First, make sure that you've open your Real Boxing 2 game, and then make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the shop button at the bottom right. Now, from the bottom of the page, tap on Inventory. On this page, you'll be able to find various categories for customizing different aspects of your character's appearance. You can change the gear, head of your character, also include tattoos, change their boxers, or if you want to edit your fighter in particular or customize your character, tap on Fighter Editor. Now, from these categories, you can change the race, body type, face of your character. For example, if you want to change the body type of your character, select the body option. You can move the slider to select the mass or muscle of your character. If you want to change the facial feature of your character, select face at the top. You can then customize the character's eyes, mouth, nose, ears, and other features. If you want to change the outfit for the character, you'll need to exit this option and select one of these options at the bottom. After you are done customizing your character, you can exit the customization menu and return to the main game or continue customizing other aspects as well. That was how you can easily customize your character or find a way to customize your character on Real Boxing 2. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.